Hello, so today I am talking about when is it a good time to get a power of attorney in place. So very quickly, a power of attorney is a legal document where you appoint attorneys to act on your behalf if you're no longer mentally capable of doing things for yourself. So the easiest example to give is if you have Alzheimer's or dementia. So when should you get these in place? Well, of course, there's no right time, but there are some kind of trigger points, very often events that happen that make you think, oh, I should get one in place now. So one of the main reasons that people get them in place is if they have been diagnosed with Alzheimer's or dementia. Now, normally that's actually quite late, and possibly too late to get something sorted out. But if you have been diagnosed or a family member has been diagnosed, it is a conversation you need to have as a matter of priority and get something in place straight away, as long as that person still has the mental capacity to do a power of attorney. The second one is if you've had a partner or a spouse that's passed away and you've got adult children, but of course now you don't have joint bank accounts, everything's in your sole name, and it could be that further down the line you might need your children to help you out on a day-to-day basis with your finances, your health and your welfare. So that's a good time also to get a power of attorney in place. Another time that very often people get powers of attorney in place is when they're updating their wills, and they normally do this when their children have become adults and they think now is a good time to have our wills updated. It's also a good time to get some powers of attorney in place. So if you're husband and wife, you would appoint each other as your attorneys and appoint your adult children as the attorneys as well. Another really good case for getting a power of attorney done is if you are actually on your own, you don't have any close relatives, and so really if something were to happen to you where you lost mental capacity, you really want to have a power of attorney in place where you have appointed a trusted friend, maybe a distant relative, somebody that can act as an attorney for you, so that you don't lose control. You know that these people that you trust will be managing your affairs for you. So those are just some really easy and quick examples of when to get a power of attorney in place. Just because you get a power of attorney, it doesn't mean that it has to be used. It's like an insurance document. You might never need to use them, but if you do need to use a power of attorney, they are really, really useful, practical things to have in place. So how can you get them done? Well, obviously you can come to somebody like me or a solicitor and we can draft them for you and get them registered, or you can go to the .gov.uk website and there's a section on lasting powers of attorney, and you can complete the forms online yourself or download the forms and complete them like that. And I will pop the link to that government website below. So I hope that's helpful. If you would like to book an appointment to have a chat about your powers of attorney, then please simply email me at info@swindonwillwriting.co.uk and I'd be happy to help.